And welcome back. Local hockey is slated for a return for the first time in almost 2 years, according to President of the Jamaica Hockey Federation, Fabian Stewart. Stewart has confirmed the JHF received an approval from the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management (ODPEM) to commence training and a club league this calendar year. And the Mona hockey field is now open for activities. Stewart spoke about what activities lie ahead for the national teams.
They're going for 2-0 Orville. Elliot has a...
We're working with the male and female teams. They're going to be participating in the CSC qualifiers in Bermuda, April 16 to 19. It's very short preparation time, and it's going to be costly and challenging, but this is something that we must do for our FIH points, ranking, and sustained, and for the sustenance of our regional development plan. Looking forward for the new coaches and coaching dynamics to achieve as best as possible.
The club leagues are slated to commence in the second quarter of this calendar year.